Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn off notification in Wise account. To turn off notifications in Wise account, open up your Wise application on your mobile device or any other devices. From the main homepage, tap on your profile picture, which should be located at the top left-hand corner. This will open up this interface. Now tap on settings. From the list, tap the notifications button. Once you tap on the option, it'll take you to this page. To disable or turn off notification from the app, simply toggle off the button right next to allow notification, and you will now not receive any notification from the Wise application. You can now go back and get on with your Wise account and continue making your transaction. That was how you can easily turn off notification in Wise application using your mobile device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.